like I said, we want to talk about the demands of the bandits. Yes, you know, we have been asking for updates. What is it? What do they really want? Why are the children and the teachers not released yet? Please just disregard all this useless people online that will just continue to post rubbish. A lot of people have posted, they have banned the children, they have caught the job, please. And I'm using this little medium of mine to beg you, content creators. This is not time to create content with people's lives. You're talking about children here. You're talking about families all over the world that their hearts are with their families where they are. If you continue to bring out fake news, you don't know what you're doing to the families. Honestly, even we that we are not related to these children, that we are not related to their families, we are not even related in any way. We feel them. We don't want to hear anything bad happening to them. We have seen a lot of rumor going on. They have spied the children. One I even read today was saying, ẹjọ́, wọ́n ti ń gé ọmọ kan lọ́rùn. Why would you continue to say that? Ẹjọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. As we love those children, as we pray for their safe return, please desist from, I implore you to please stop spreading fake rumor. The children are, we don't know the state of what they are, what is happening to them as we speak. We cannot tell. Truth be told, nobody knows what is happening to the children, and that is why we are out to please continue to beg the government to do the right thing. Yes, we have been worried. We said the government have been quiet, they are not doing anything. Yeah, the government have spoken out today. They said, I think about 2 days ago, and I couldn't come out. Yeah, we read it yesterday that they have made their demands known to us now. What is the demand of this bandit? Remember, about 40 students were carted away from a school in Ogbomoso 23 days ago with their teachers. And one of their teachers, the math teacher, was beheaded live on social media in front of those children. It is an horrific sight. It is a terrible thing to happen to anyone. Please help me to power tap on TikTok, please. I beg you. Emma Shaun, Emma me power tap. It's a terrible thing to happen to anybody. And we have seen the families of these people, the parents of the children. A grandmother cried out that her 3 grandchildren are among those kidnapped, and their mother. And we have seen the husband of the head teacher, the principal. The husband has come out to cry out to the government. Yes, we have seen the governor coming out on several occasions. He has gone to see the affected family. He has gone to the community. He had addressed us on social media, on the media generally, on what is really happening. And and I can feel it's unfortunate that this has happened in Oyo State. Now, Engineer Seyi Makinde, we know you have come out to talk. The Oba of Ogbomoso, Oba Shomu of Ogbomoso too, we have seen him in the media, and he has said he has a committee of security committee, looking at ways to improve security in Ogbomoso and its environment, which is a good one. Now, what else are they doing? Whatever it is difficult for us to move on. The thought of those children having no hope. Because as we speak now, yeah, the government is doing their best. They have come out to say the bandits have demanded something. What did they demand? Guys, let's read it together. I'm sure most of you have seen it. They have made their demands known. They want, hold on now, and then I can read it out. I guess who is this man that spoke? I think their spokesperson. Their spokesperson has spoken out. Hold on. And there's something I really want to talk about most of us that we're so passionate about what is going on. I know you can look at me and say, it's easier said than done. You can say that, but believe me.
For them to bring everything that is necessary, for them to bring these children and teachers back. If it was up to you, would you negotiate with terrorists? If terrorists ask for weapons, they ask for money, they ask for concession on future laws of this land as part of their ransom. If you are the governor, would you accept those ransom? Would you accept for those people to be integrated into that community? We don't know the details. So please, let's be sensitive and calm. You do not know the details. The more you negotiate with these people, the more you are going to embolden them. So please, the motion has been moved that duly seconded. Those in favor of the resolution within the motion say aye. Aye. Those against say nay.
What do we do? What is the way out? Yes, please part up. The bandits have spoken. They have said what they want. They want 3 Hilux vans. These Hilux vans they are asking for, definitely it is for their job, for the tax they do daily, the tax of kidnapping. They have demanded for Hilux vans. Their demand includes weapons. They have demanded for 1 billion naira allegedly to be paid into a foreign account in Benin City. No, not Benin City, sorry. Benin Republic. Sorry, guys. In Benin Republic. Yeah? Benin Republic is, a neighbor to us. That is what they have demanded. What do we do? Nigerians, please come up. Request to come up. What do we do? They have made their demands known. We have been saying we don't know what they want. And now they said, this is what we want. Nigerians, what do we do? They are asking for Sharia law. They are asking for some of their bandits that have been arrested and they are with the government to be let out so that we have more bandits out there. That is the demand of those people that we have those children with. They are saying, before we can leave these children with us, yes, give us 1 billion naira to be deposited in a foreign account. Release all our people that are with you. That has always been something they've always demanded for. I remember during Chibok girls' time too, they demanded that the federal government releases some of the bandits that are in captive. So now they have demanded again that all their people that are in Kogi, prison in Oyo should be released. 1 billion naira, Hilux vans, and then the law of the land. They want Sharia law. You know what? Behind every rumor, Ajoke Ayaba, you're welcome. Please, can you mute, ma? Behind every rumor, there is always an iota of truth. People have been saying what they have been asking for is Sharia law. That their plan is to Islamize Nigeria. Nigeria belongs to so many. We have different cultures, even within Nigeria. We have different religions. We have Islam, we have Christianity, and we have Esibile. That is our traditional ones. So they are asking for just one religion, and this has always been a long time thing that they have said they have been asking for. Now, out of what they have demanded for before they release these children includes this. Queen me, sister me, Kilo Shellen, it's been a long time. Thank you so much, sis. Sis, you can see that I'm shining. Can you see that sparkling is working on me? Moti lepao. You know, it's because of what is happening that we have been promoting our business. Go stop what? Anyway, business is business. Life goes on. And on that particular one, I really want to I want you guys to please there is something that your Amusa has said that people are really, you know, pushing things, and I really want Nigerians, yes, we have to be sensitive. I understand. So you lost 15 kg. Wow, I've lost 10 in 2 months. You know, John, there's something I really want to discuss with us when it comes to the way we all handle this. Different platforms with different ways of doing their things, okay? For me, I'm a mother, yeah? And believe me, a lot of Nigerians too feel this pain because daily we think about it. I'm even saying it that most of us abroad, we the diasporans, we that we are in diasporans, we feel the pain more than those in Nigeria, believe me. I've always thought about it, and it's true. I think it's because of the way we live here. We know that it is normal for governments to do the basic thing to take care of us. But in Nigeria, it is like they are doing them a great deal when they give them little thing. Do you understand? So I have seen that Amusa has cried out that you should please allow them to do their business as usual. I know that most of us, because we live here, we know what it takes to protect lives and properties. We know that ordinary cats, ordinary dog, our animals, which we call pets, the way we take care of them. So we value lives more than the way they do. So many of our people are attacking the celebrities. Please, for Christ's sake, or any other person. Yes, I know we feel the pains, but life goes on. Yes, for some of us, we will continue to talk about it. For my platform, I have said it, I can do other things, but I will continue to call on the government, and let me give myself that clap, until those children are brought back home and their teachers. Because I know what it is. I can feel their pains. But believe me, most of these people, they use their platforms for business too. Like most of our artists, the content creators, that is what Nigeria has brought them to do. Most of our content creators are graduates that cannot get jobs. They have decided to use their platform to create content and make money out of it. Our celebrities will have to post their videos. Our Nollywood artists will still have to post their videos. what we should be demanding is that they should use those platforms to speak out for us. Come on, we go there. Why are you calling my name now? How are you calling? Come on, we are saying Niger style. What is it? What is it? So, guys, please pardon them. Let them do their posting in peace. Please, I understand the pain. Ajoke Omola, thank you, ma. I understand your pains, but please remember, they too have families to feed. Yes, they have family to feed now. Abi, shale sọ pé torí pé nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀, ní ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́. Even those parents that their children are kidnapped, they still have to go and work. God's own, please, can you mute? They still have to work. Tell bá ṣe ní jẹ́ ní Nigeria. Sure, you understand? The only thing you should demand from our Nollywood artists is that as much as they are posting their videos, because video, you know, wọ́n máa gbé lọ cinema, wọ́n fẹ́ tajà. Sure, you understand? Please do not go under their post and be cursing them. Èpè kọ́, ó ti yé yín, need láti ṣépè. You don't need to curse them. Please, just, you can, let's be sensitive in what we write. You can tell them, you guys go and, it's only when if you see any artist coming out to campaign, to campaign for this present government, that is when you can talk. Mr. Kamoru, Eka Lesa. Good evening, sir. Ṣé bandit ni yín ni, sir? Ẹ káàbọ̀, sir. God bless you, sir. Yes, sir. All right, sir. I mute, sir. So, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, mo kàn fẹ́ bẹ̀ gbogbo àwa Nigerians ni. Tẹ́ bá rí àwọn artists wa tí wọ́n bá don't post anything that is political, you can attack them. Yes, because this is not the time to campaign. Nigeria is bleeding. Truth be told. Ìyà ń jẹ àwọn ọmọ Naija. Wọ́n kó àwọn ọmọ lọ. Yes, in fact, nǹkan tó bá wù yín kẹ́ sọ fún wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n tó bá post ọjà wọn, allow them to post their film in peace. They are selling. If they've collected money from somebody to advertise for them as brand ambassadors, allow them to do their job. I have collected a product from Sparkling to promote our goods that, will I stop because the children, are kidnapped? Of course. I will cry out, I will shout out, I will use my platform to speak to the government to do something, but I will still promote what I've been paid for. And so this thing applies to the artists too. Our Nollywood artists, John Torí Ọlọ́run, mo fi bẹ̀ yín ni, àwọn nìkọ́kọ́, and every other person, tell on attack, our content creators, to yẹ pé wọn ò ní choice. Ìṣẹ́ ló jẹ́ kẹ́lòmíì di content creator. Want to graduate for years, not the content creators. They need to continue to promote whatever they are doing. But the only time you Nigerians should be crossed with anybody is when they start campaigning. They can only campaign if the government brings back those children. You can start your campaign. Lega is being attacked because he is an APC person. And Lega go ni gbenu edake, akoma to so nonsense ni. So I understand why Lega is being attacked. And for you people, Ejo, life goes on. Okay? Le sọ pé so that Amusa don't want to speak what happened in Nigeria. I think she spoke about it. She already spoke about it. Most of them said it. If you go to their pages, you will have seen what they put out there. Most of them see what is sọ̀rọ̀ síta. Èyí tí ó bá sọ̀rọ̀ lè attack ẹ lè ṣe, but ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Wọ́n ní láti máa tajà wọn lọ. wọ́n ṣàpolówó ẹ fún oyè kò yé yín because ọjà wọn ti wà níta. I understand how you feel that most of these our Nollywood artists go àwọn ló gbé wa débi tá a wà yìí because àwọn ló máa ṣàyà gbangba tó máa sọ pé ẹ dìbò fún bàbá wa ní. We know you are pained, but please let's just be reasonable. Life goes on, but kò sí nǹkan tá a máa ṣe ni pé ká máa pe government against this thing. This thing continues. Àríkẹ́ Diamond ẹ wo àwọn ọmọ olówó tó gbé sìn àti ìgbọ́n kankan. No communication from their abductors. That is Adedibu's children. Ṣé Adelabu ni? Adelabu tapanlari. Adelabu pankelemesi kan ni àwọn ọmọ tó jí gbé. Nothing from the abductors. But for the children, yes, they have asked for something. What do we do as Nigerians? What do you think we can do? The government said, what else do you want them to do? Ṣé káwọn bá àwọn ajínigbé káwọn bá wọn dialogue ni? What they are asking for is a thing they cannot give. What is the hope of those children and their teachers? What do you think is the hope of them? Chasers. Are you there, Chasers? Ekale, good evening, sir.
Yes, ma'am. This is my second time of joining your program.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You're welcome, sir.
I was there, I think 2 days ago to motor program. The following that get updates.
Yes, sir.
This night, all I'm going to do is a commercial program.
Oh.
I'm still saying my mind. Thank you for coming up with this tonight. It's very, very okay. On the issue, like a question. I think my own take on it is that, you see, in journalism, one beginning on proximity factor.
Proximity.
Proximity.
Yeah, proximity.
Or play timeless.
Hmm.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
There is time for everything. And I can have you back to any pay you was okay. Mafia Midano.
Ọjọ́ kan là ń kọ́.
Yes. Tó bá jẹ́ pé nígbà tí nǹkan yìí ti ṣẹlẹ̀, because lẹ́yìn tí mo wá sí orí platform yìí ní few days ago, àwọn interview bíi méjì mẹ́ta kan jáde. The first one was with Sunday Igboho with these Nancy people.
Yes. Mori, my player, sir. God bless you. Tí ó sọ wípé òun lè lọ, ó lóun mọ̀ wọ́n.
So I followed the news back to back. That's number one. And there's another one. See, like a lot of them, Shami, they are only online. But out of all those things, Tim will watch. Okay, never seen on Shelley. If we see people that can help us, help that I need, why not accept the help from them? First, now we okay because only cause more for only the but Shemo we pay Timbawa selling Lenny Timbawa dear, Timbawa dear, or last more what moment at the end. To buy those from my good idea. And what good idea only being only barrel. To buy the people say, I was in being. In the first place, the government, the state government got it very wrong at the beginning. They need to have switched into action with immediate effects for that people before it was too late at all. Now, that's about that. Now, on the issue of should they negotiate, should they give the things, the ransom they demanded for? So, from my own end, I would say it's a no. Because now, look at what they are demanding for. One demand 1 billion naira into
a foreign account.
Now, there is no account in the whole world today. I live abroad. So, if anything happens in Nigeria now, and I want to know the owner of that account, we can easily know. No, for them to now say, okay, pay this money into this account. They have given them, if they have given them the account, it is very, very good to trace. But okay, the government of Benin, this account, we want to investigate it.
Who owns it?
Who is the main owner of this account? And who will look to Benin? So when we talk about investigation, we have more accounts in all about. That is number one. LKG. These people demanded for 1 billion naira, 2 e-locks, concession about the law.
The law.
Law. They demanded for concession. They demanded for different things. Like they are playing this game on the ground is being like it is better for you to be stupid, but don't add me to your stupidity. You know the stupid like Emma had a massive stupidity. I watched the lawmaker when the house was is this speaker or something. When
it was talking.
Nobody would have said they should dance into their tune. But if they had not been dancing into it before,
they wouldn't ask for such.
They won't ask for such. Now, àwọn tó wà níbẹ̀ lọ́mọ èèyàn kan ni wọn abiyamọ làwọn tó bí àwọn ọmọ yẹn. Tí government bá mọ̀ wípé okay, listen, you said you don't want to dialogue with them because they have demanded for things that are beyond you. Accepted. Okay, are we going to put our hands
and be watching
the children and the teachers be there until when? Who knows the state of their well-being? Who knows what has happened? Who knows how they are feeding? These are the children that are sleeping in the house. I'm not on some day going to pay, which is see they are to pay, they were also without me. So, who knows what is going on with these children? Maybe I've been combined with now. If at all, the government has a plan for dialogue, and if they was because I watched one particular interview, and it was saying there's something called this law in block. Like, what the fuck are you talking about?
Ọba ìwọ nìyẹn jọ sà mi rí yẹn. Ṣé tó ń wégbó? Okay, mo bọ́ bá wégbó.
Of course, there will be casualties.
Hey, God.
Because all life matters. We don't pray for that. But in Koyo Kinship first time, to Mashele ni Oyo State, during the term of Governor Fayoshe, it was true. The man set into action. He said, everybody will go law. Tony Ghost said it in an interview with Bilam Announce.
Yeah.
Everyone law, everyone should know how. Let's do this, let's do that. That means it, and Nipa, it died down. Go die down. So, if this government wants to get, they should stop. What I will employ people, what I will urge the government is that.
Mr. Tunwa, please, can you mute? Mr. Tunwa, can you mute your mic?
Government should stop playing on our intelligence. They should stop. They should do the right thing. We are not ready to negotiate, and we are not ready to send people that are ready to go into it, and we are not ready to send forces. Sunday Igboho said something during the interview. To Mr. Atuwa George Demuksa.
I can disconnect one. Yeah.
Sunday Igboho said something during his interview with the Nance. He said, "Onogun wa capable. School." According to him, if you have watched the video, they don't waste life on him. If I told the government has sent anybody to that forest.
So that means people here go shele lẹ́yìn tí a mọ̀ nìyẹn.
Something wrong. There's something wrong with the system. Because he said it in the interview. School and the rest. Why will okay, I think count this, I think count 15. Today, the government will be okay. This is not the time for negotiation because these people will demand for something we cannot even give to them. Now it is eye for an eye for an eye. Because few things. See, I'm planning to do live new. Will you believe, ma? We are on youth in Nigeria that don't protest, on lost it. Can you give us this? Don't demand.
What's so bad? One year when you complain, they were asking, they were one food, what a gift.
Just went online. People were demanding for money.
Give away.
Hey. I was so surprised. Aside that, my people share video. And likes. Video ban
Jesus Christ.
Not about 50 something K, 100 and something K. People engaging the videos. We the youth, we are not ready. Now, another thing we need to take note is this law. I am a Muslim, but I'm not stupid.
Thank you, Obaseki. Thank you, ma'am.
People are so stupid. And Soyinka already said it. He said, if we don't tame religion, it will kill Nigeria.
Hey, God.
Religion is killing Nigeria today. And it has not even killed Nigeria. It will still kill Nigeria to a point that nobody will be able to return. I watched one useless affair like that. Where he was addressing the issue of Sunday, he said, why are you the Muslim? What has the Muslim community done so far to help? In this place?
Nothing.
Let's be assist our parents, our family. And your principal and our local. How will you feel if your wife has been in captivity?
Hey, go call you to Pusekun, Baba Balagba. Lecturer.
So, number one thing is, we youth, if you are ready, we should get ourselves ready first. Are we ready to keep deceiving ourselves, or we are ready to face the reality of life? If you are ready to face the reality of life, you should stop believing this government in the first place. If they are not ready to negotiate, they should do something. Today will be better 21 days or so.
23rd.
23 whether they use force or not. And people were reliable, they be pay gbogbo ìlera ọmọ yẹn ṣì máa pé. I watched a video this afternoon, I was crying. Mo rí ibi tí wọ́n ti èèyàn kan tí inú àwọn kíní wọn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ sun ẹni yẹn, wọ́n sun I swear with Allah. Mo fi Ọlọ́run búra. Mo ṣì ní fídíò yẹn lórí kíní mi. Ní kí n bọ́ sẹ́lẹ̀. Wọ́n sẹ́lẹ̀ sí wọ́n sun àwọn pípọ̀ yẹn, àwọn tí wọ́n jí yẹn, wọ́n sun wọ́n dẹ̀ ń jẹun. It has finished. There's nothing again. So, to that extent, I want to go through level here. I'm going to also put on my these are the people you don't want to put into action with. Do you understand, man? So, on my own point, Kinde Jekelo me sorrow. On my own point, if the government knows they are not ready to negotiate, because what they have asked for is beyond them.
It's beyond.
Then they should look for alternative. The state police, any soldiers, any different people. This man told us, the governor said, seeing the clinic control military, to control this and control that. But every year, we state for the Catalonia to want security.
Wow.
We state you control by security force.
Baby.
If you are getting that, okay, he asked me that in other states. Okay, we are in trouble. If you are not going to call on foreign people,
support
within.
What's up? According to what we heard, they said they are working with the foreign military are here. They are in Nigeria.
How true is that?
We don't know.
Nigeria, they want to run to in local. Okay, we have the power to do this thing for you. Whether they are going to succeed or not, why not let them try? It will cause more casualties accepted. But people will go out here salon. They will run. So I don't know what the government is thinking, and if there's anyone at this stage, but the one thing that was surprising me the first lady, I watched her video where she went to a particular state. I shed tears. It is not done. All Nigerians should apologize to Patient Jonathan.
We have done that already.
Everybody should. That woman, when they kidnapped the people there, it came on national TV and she was shedding tears.
Benny.
All this blood you are sharing, there is blood, that is emotion.
Benny.
There was none from this our so-called first lady. It is not done. Who would have thought family?
Benny.
And these are people that we are nothing. I pray
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Ayaba. Is Ayaba there? Ekalema o ekabo ma.
Yes, ma.
Ẹ̀yin abiyamọ gidi ẹ jẹ́ clap fún yín. Ekabo ma.
Ọlọ́run á bá wa mú ìtura dé Nàìjíríà o.
Àmín Jésù.
Àwa gan tá tẹ̀ sí ní Nàìjíríà gan ṣé mo nígbà míì tí bá ronú because nígbà tí mo káwọn kí n tó tẹ̀ káwọn ọmọ mi kó Nàìjíríà school tán wà bí Kogi State ni ṣé mo lọ́sàn-án yìí mo kàn ń wo àwọn ọmọ yẹn mo ń wo àwọn ọmọ mi torí yunifásitì náà wà àmọ́ á rò pé wọ́n lọ́hùn pé ṣé mo ẹni tó bá jẹ́ abiyamọ á rò pé tó bá jẹ́ èmi ni how would I feel? Ẹ ti understand torí I don't know bí a false news ni wàá gbọ́ pé ìkọ́ṣaláìsí náà ọmọ yẹn.
Definitely nǹkan kan ó lè máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọn because àwọn people yẹn.
So bí nǹkan tẹ́ sọ pé ok kí wàá ní ọ̀nà àbáyọ ok ṣé a fẹ́ trace ẹ̀ pé gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì wa ní ọwọ́ nínú kinní yìí ni because you don't know what to do. What do you want to do? Ẹ̀yin níjọba ọwọ́ yín ní
ìdáwà.
Ọwọ́ yín ní ìdáwà. Ẹ sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ lo force nítorí pé ẹ fẹ́ kí casualty wà. Wípé torí pé ẹ bá lo force wọ́n máa pa wọ́n yẹn. Ok ẹni ẹ fẹ́ negotiate. Ṣé mo wípé tí wọ́n dé stage kan nǹkan tí wọ́n fẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀ ó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹni ẹ fẹ́ kí casualty wà. Ṣé mo bá àwọn bandit yẹn bó ṣe wà yẹn wọ́n fi àwọn èèyàn wa yẹn àwọn èèyàn wa àwọn ọmọ wa yẹn àwọn náà fi wọ́n guide ara wọn ni. Ṣé mo pé tó bá dé stage kan tó bá rí i pé government ò ṣe anything they can waste those people.
Waste life wọn at the end of the day.
They can waste them because nǹkan tá a fẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀ pé nísìnyí òun náà at the end of the day wọ́n lè ṣe é kán máa lọ. So bí nǹkan tí uncle tó ń sọ yìí pé má fi oko mi ṣe ọ̀nà.
Ọjọ́ kan lèèyàn kọ́.
Ọjọ́ kan lóòótọ́ ó nira ṣé fi yé yín ó nira ẹ wo orú woman kan ló ní ọmọ méjì ń bẹ̀.
Ọmọ mẹ́ta 3 grandchildren.
Ṣé ó yé yín tó Ọlọ́run dáríjì mi tó wá jẹ́ pé mi ni ọlọ́mọ yẹn kó jẹ́ pé by now nǹkan máa sọ pé ọ̀tá olúwa rest in peace ni. Because bóyá gbogbo ọmọ tó ní láyé àti lọ́run nìyẹn kò sẹ́ni tó mọ̀. It is not easy láti sọ pé òkè o pé kí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì force but they should find solution to this thing. Gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì wa ti lack wọ́n ti lack kí ni ti wọlé sí wọn lára they are so careless kò síbi tí ogun ti yí wọn ká wọ́n ti fi ẹ̀mí now wọ́n fi ẹ̀mí àwọn èèyàn wọ́n fi ń ṣe politics gbogbo àwọn tó ní àwọn èèyàn síbẹ̀ yẹn nísìnyí ẹ mọ̀ gbogbo alẹ́bí sí Nàìjíríà o.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Mo lọ́mọ ìyá sí Nàìjíríà àwọn ọmọ ìyá mi lọ́mọ sí Nàìjíríà mo lọ́mọ bàbá sí Nàìjíríà wọ́n ní ọmọ wọ́n ń gbé lábúlé wọ́n ń gbé ní suburb lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ so wọ́n ń fira mi náà pé tí ó bá jẹ́ pé ìkànnú àwọn ọ̀tá ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àbí báwo lèmi náà ṣe mẹ́fà fíìmù ní káwọn sọ pé torí pé kò kàn wá. So di Ọlọ́run ni bí kọ́tà ọ̀rọ̀ ní prayer without seasoning and pé ìgbàgbọ́ tí ò ní ṣe
òkú ni.
Àwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì wa àwọn náà máa ṣe kò sí individual wa yìí we can't do it okay now wọ́n fẹ́ kí Sunday Igboho wọgbó nítorí pé wọ́n fẹ́ kó gba oríyìn wọn.
Can you imagine?
Nítorí pé ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ oríyìn là fẹ́ nísìnyí àbí pé ká gba ọmọ yẹn jáde àtàwọn pípọ̀ yẹn láàyè. Ẹ mọ 18 months wà nù bẹ́ẹ̀jọ kí lọmọ yẹn ń jẹ. Ọmọ 15 years ta ló mọ orúkọ tó ti máa fi ọmọ 15 years ta ló ti máa mọ nǹkan tó máa ti fi ọmọ yẹn ṣe.
Wọ́n ṣe 15, 14.
15, 14 àwọn tí ò ti disvirgin ní mọ nǹkan tó máa ti fi wọ́n ṣe níbẹ̀ àwọn tó jẹ́ pé ẹranko làwọn pípù yìí. Àwọn fúnra wọn kan kú bọ́n ṣe wà yẹn wọ́n máa ti pe Allahu Akbar ẹ wo máa ń tán bí ìyá ìdórí ẹ̀ yẹn máa yẹn nísìnyí wọ́n kàn máa jù síbi kan ni.
Ibẹ̀ yẹn ti níjọ́ tí wọ́n ṣe fídíò pẹ̀lú principal yẹn tí eṣinṣin ń kun bẹ̀ ibẹ̀ náà máa jù sọ́kàn máa jù lẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ọlọ́run kábíyèsí o.
Ọlọ́run á yọ wọn tẹ́sẹ̀rí secondly àwọn celebrities wa tí ẹ̀mí táwọn èèyàn ń búlì tán kẹnu tì àwọn gan wọ́n fa púpọ̀ nínú nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí.
Ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀ lọ pé nǹkan táwọn èèyàn fi ń attack wọn.
Àwọn celebrity wa yẹn tó fi ń attack wọn àwọn gan ṣe nínú nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí àwọn náà máa ń kó lọ sí Àbújá, àwọn náà máa ń campaign fún wọn, àwọn náà máa ń sọ pé these people they are this, they are that, they are kíní kan, àwọn náà máa ń tà wá fún wọn. Ṣé mo pé àwọn celebrity torí pé a like wọn, especially èyí tá a bá like nínú wọn bóyá ó ní fan púpọ̀, ṣé mo pé tó bá ti sọ̀rọ̀ torí ìfẹ́ ta ní sí wọn,
a máa follow wọn.
At the end of the day masses ló máa ń jìyà kínní. Òun làwọn èèyàn ṣe ń attack wọn pé ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ ti jẹ́ dòdò ẹ lè sọ dòdò mọ́. Ẹ̀yin náà lè ń kó wa sọ́wọ́ wọn, ẹ̀yin lè máa lọ Àbújá, ẹ̀yin lè máa lọ campaign fún wọn, ẹ̀yin lè máa lọ campaign fún wọn, ẹ̀yin lè máa ṣe, ẹ̀yin náà máa gbówó fún, ẹ̀yin náà máa gbówó fún. Then àwa náà tá jẹ́ aráàlú aláti kọ́gbọ́n ká má jẹ́ kí ipò wa kó máa fi wá jìyà, because now tẹ́lẹ̀ bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ tán sí náà tó wá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pín ráìsì ìdèríkà méjì.
Àwa la máa lọ gbà á.
Ó ti tán, àtúntà ọjọ́ wa for another 4 years. Ìyá tó máa jẹ ọ̀tá wa for ṣé mo pé mọ́mí àwa tá a wà ní UK tá a wà ní abroad yìí náà àwa náà ń sọ́fà. Torí pé owó tá à ń gbà gan-an òye tá à ń fún àwọn ará Nàìjíríà ló
pọ̀ jù.
Ní alẹ́ yìí mo mọ iye tí mo ti ní
owó ara mi.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín, mo mọ iye tí mo fúnra tí máa nínú every time láti gba sálárì báyìí mo ti máa kọ́lẹ̀ àwọn tí mo fẹ́ fún lówó lóṣù yìí, àwọn tí mo fẹ́ fún lówó lóṣù yìí, àwọn tí mo fẹ́ fún lówó lóṣù yìí, tí máa fún wọn. Àdéhùn òbí tètè mi go fúnra mi bá máa wọ àkáǹtì mo lè má ju £200 lọ́wọ́ mi mọ́ nígbà tí máa fi apá àdé máa lọ ṣe 12 hours 14 and a half. I have 12 hours every day. Àdéhùn òbí tètè tá a bá gbogbo náà ẹ̀gbọ́n àbúrò in fact orí dp orí fóònù yẹn á ti kún lórí messages lóríṣiríṣi. Ẹjọ́ ebi ń pa àwọn ní fẹ́ mójú ṣé àwọn pàwọn náà jìyà àwọn náà sọ́fà. Torí tó bá jẹ́ pé àwọn ará Nàìjíríà wà òkè ni wọn ò ní máa yọ wá lẹ́nu.
100%.
Wọn ò ní máa yọ wá lẹ́nu. Ṣáàlì máa wo okay for example ní last week ọmọ brother mi pè mí àwọn fẹ́ lọ first excursion wọ́n ní káwọn mú 30,000 wá ọmọ mẹ́ta bọ̀dá mi dẹ̀ ní òun ò ní o kọ́ máa lọ o mọ̀ mo rò pé ìwọ náà mo ní okay don't worry I will pay 10,000 pé okay ẹ lọ ẹ san 90,000 wọ excursion ẹ fi 10,000 ẹ fi ṣe lunch. Mi ìdẹ̀ blame ẹ̀gbọ́n mi tó bá ní ọmọ ṣé báwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ní tó bá ní yes àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ní kọ́nà lọ sí excursion kan ní wọn ò lè lọ. So ó dé ó sì gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ là ń jìyà yìí fún pé akọ̀wà lábúròdù àjọ ń jẹ ni kọ́lọ́hún kó ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Èmi mi lè sọ pé kí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì bá wọn torí tí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì bá ti bá wọn
tó bá sanwó owó yẹn tó bá gain.
Wọ́n ti tà wá.
Wọ́n ní àwọn fẹ́ ṣàríà lọ.
Àwọn ṣàríà lọ níbo ṣé bíbá jẹ́ ibi ṣé Ìbàdàn ṣé Ọ̀yọ́ state jẹ́ Kánò ni.
Ìgbà tó ti gba Kwara.
Ṣé Ọ̀yọ́ state jẹ́ Kánò ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ní Ọ̀yọ́ ó yàtọ̀ sí Màdúgùrí ó yàtọ̀ sí Kánò ó yàtọ̀ sí kínní àwọn ẹ̀sìn yẹn kò ń ṣe ẹ̀sìn wa àwa kan àwọn tabaníkà máa sọ̀rọ̀ yìí àní kúrò níbà because ìkan tí religious gan kó bá wa gan òun ló pọ̀ jù religious gan pọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká fẹ́ lómi láyé
ẹ ṣe gan mọ́ mi ẹ ṣe gan àǹtí Àjọkẹ́ èyí bẹ́ẹ̀ máa ẹ kalẹ́ máa o kalẹ́ máa.
Àjọkú ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà yìí á kú dá.
Àdàlágbára Ọlọ́run.
Israel ṣe rí nígbà tí mo rí news yẹn tí wọ́n list nǹkan tó sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ I was not surprised. Because we've been expecting it because ó ti pẹ́ táwa ti mọ̀. Àwa surprising pé tó bá list ẹ̀ mọ́.
Kò tó fẹ́ demand wọn.
Yes. Number one thing, why did you think they attack Oyo and they said Oyo gbọ́dọ̀ gbàṣẹ̀lẹ̀ àlọ́? Because wọ́n mọ̀ pé orírun Yorùbá ní Ọ̀yọ́ state. Tó bá jẹ́ ti lè accept
Conquer
Ọ̀yọ́ state.
Ọ̀yọ́.
Ọtí kọ́ńkàlẹ̀ Yorùbá nìyẹn. There is nothing every other state can do again.
Wow.
In Yorùbá land.
Wow. Wow.
So òun ló ṣe ni wọ́n ṣe wọlé sí Ọ̀yọ́ lára. Then number 2, sharing Nigerians àti máa ń kí emotion bọ̀ nǹkan jù. What is the way forward? Sharing nǹkan tó bá máa da láyé nǹkan máa kọ́kọ́ bàjẹ́. Kò sí kí wúrà tó di wúrà ó gbaná kọjá.
Gbagbanu no kọjá. Please help me to power tap, guys.
Ó máa gbaná kọjá kò sí. Abíamọ ni gbogbo wa náà a kàn ń rò ní pé àwọn ọmọ yẹn kinní kan. Ṣé a máa wá sọ fún ìjọba kó lọ negotiate pẹ̀lú wọn ni? No. Ìyẹn ò ṣeé ṣe. A lè ní kí ìjọba negotiate pẹ̀lú wọn. I was talking to a friend in Dubai today. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi ẹ̀ wà ní Dubai wá pé mi àjọ wa ń sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n á sọ fún mo ní ṣorí èmi náà ná ọmọ mo ní àwọn ọmọ mi ìgbàdúrà kí wọ́n ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi. In as much as mo sympathize pẹ̀lú àwọn parents yẹn. Because kò sígbà tí mo lè rí tí mi tọkàn mi ò ní lọ bẹ̀ tí mi ní feel pé as a mother irú condition wo làwọn parents yẹn máa wà báyìí. Mo máa ń fìlẹ̀ ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó máa ń ṣèkì mi tí bá ti lè wò pé ìyá àwọn ọmọ yìí. But then kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ ṣe tá a bá fẹ́ gbúrú ẹ̀ mọ́ tá a bá fẹ́ gbúrú nǹkan yìí mọ́ ní Nàìjíríà. Those children's life and their teachers' life will go with it.
Jesus.
That is just the plain truth.
Oh God.
Except tó bá yẹn pé a fẹ́ continue bẹ́ẹ̀. N pé ká continue nǹkan negotiate kan sọ kọ́ ní pé kínní. Ìjọba mọ̀ nǹkan tó lè ṣe.
So they need to face them squarely. That's what you're saying.
The fear of
once and for all.
Nigerians di máa sọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn ọmọ yìí ò gbọ́dọ̀ kú. A gbọ́dọ̀ mú wọn wáyé. That is the main thing tí gbogbo àwọn nǹkan ṣe fi dàsìkò yìí. Gbogbo wọn rán àwọn sójà kan lọ́bẹ̀. Ìjọba mọ̀ pé kò ṣe sójà orí ilẹ̀ ló máa ṣiṣẹ́. Àwọn ajagun orí òfurufú ló máa ṣe. Wọ́n mọ̀. Kò ṣàwọn àmọ̀tẹ́kùn àbí kinní kan ló máa wọnú igbó lọ. Inú igbó tó mọ̀ ṣé wọ́n ti wọ bẹ̀rí ni. Àwọn pípọ̀ ló ti wà nínú igbó ìkọ́ tó bọ́ tàwa operate. Ó lè ti lé ní over 2-3 months tó ti máa wà nínú igbó yẹn tó ti máa rìn ká tó ti máa mọ gbogbo kọ́nà gbogbo inú igbó. Okay, ṣẹ́ni tí ò wá mọ̀ nǹkan kan nípa inú igbó yẹn lè wá rán lọ. So the only solution òun ni ká yọ emotion kúrò. I was researching about a particular country. That's an African country, Rwanda. The same thing tó ṣẹlẹ̀ Nàìjíríà yóò ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ lọ wo Rwanda sìn, wọ́n máa sọ fún yín pé Rwanda is the most safest country in Africa. According to research, over 5 million people ló kú nígbà tí ìjọba wọn decide àti ṣiṣẹ́. Over 5 million people ló kú in a month. Nígbà tí ìjọba wọn decide àti ṣiṣẹ́ pé no, we cannot continue this way. Ẹ̀mí máa bá lọ kò sọ́gbọ́n. Kò sí there is no two way about it. Or else tàbá kò fẹ́ continue báyìí. Tàbá fẹ́ continue báyìí. Pé ká continue kọ́ fún wọn lówó kó tún lọ kó bá tún dọ̀là máa tún lọ gbá àwọn another set of people. Wọ́n á tún demand for another thing. Ṣé tó bá ti wá ń demand lè fẹ́ máa meet demand wọn ni? It's not possible. So that is why we are pleading on the government. They should do the necessary things that is meant to be done. They know what to do. But the fear of àwọn ló fẹ́ lose àwọn ọmọ yẹn àtàwọn tíṣà yẹn. What would Nigerians say if those children and the teacher are not back home? they know what to do. And again, àwọn ìjọba iná ló wà díẹ̀ àfi tá a bá ń tọra wa. Àwọn ló wà díẹ̀. Àwọn ni.
God.
Kí lorúkọ Abacha ti sọ ó ní in any country there is any insurgency that cannot be
resolved within 24 hours.
Only the government that is sponsoring it. How do we arrive here?
How did we get here? How did we get here?
A lè sùn sínú ilé wa mọ́. Èèyàn bá sùn kó máa fojú kan sùn kó máa tají ìṣẹ́jú. Àwọn tá sí Nàìjíríà gan àyà wa ń jájá àwọn tó wá sùn tí bá tají wá tí wọ́n sọ pé mo nẹ́bí Nàìjíríà mo sùn wọ́n tílẹ̀ máa fi mọ́.
Ọlọ́run tẹ bá rí bí ṣe pé àwọn mọ̀lẹ́bí mi lánàá pé èwo ọ̀rọ̀ kìíní 30 December yìí kìíní kan wípé because ẹ̀yà mi kò ń já ni èmo kéèyàn ló máa já.
Tí bá pe bàbá àwọn ọmọ mi tí mi bá rí pé under 2 hours tí mi rí connect àyà mi máa já ni máa pe everybody tó lè bá mi pè ní pé ẹ bá mi pè ohun tí táwọn yẹn bá fún mi ní feedback nípa àwọn ti pè o nǹkan báyìí ló sọ lọ́kàn mi máa tó balẹ̀.
Ẹ káalẹ́ sir Mr. Isaac ẹ káalẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ bá mi tó bá ṣe tán ẹ lè sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ káàbọ̀ sir.
And I'm going to pay 5 million people to go in a month.
Wọ́n ní Rwanda àbí? No kò ń ṣe ní Nàìjíríà pígbà tí àwọn ó yá ẹ dá wọn lóhùn Mr. Àǹtí Àjọkẹ́ Ayaba.
Mo ń ṣàlàyé nǹkan ní pé ìyẹn ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Rwanda. I'm not saying in Nigeria.
Well, question you necessary. Question you necessary for now.
No, I just want to know. I'm just wondering what she said.
No, it's not Nigeria. It's not Nigeria, sir. So she
question you necessary.
Ẹ má bínú Mr. Isaiah ẹ jẹ́ kó ṣe tán. Ó yá Àǹtí Àjọkẹ́ ṣe ti ṣe tán mà.
So nǹkan tẹ́mi kò fẹ́ sọ nìyẹn o. Our governments know what to do, but they are not doing it. That's just it. Toba might take action. They know the necessary action to take. But because they are the one behind this thing, it's not easy for them to take the decision. And again, they are afraid. For Nigeria
to move forward.
For us to secure ourselves, for Nigeria to be better, apart from our motto and Ogun,
is the hard truth.
Life will be lost. I will bow. There was a time, I think in Niger Delta or somewhere in the east. Only call us call up power. Only call us power. Because that's the only solution. So bani call us call up blood one down by another thing, silu. But why escalate láti di nǹkan okay before lawyer ní ìsìn tó ti lọ jẹ wọ́n run a lot of innocents are there. That is it. To the parents of the children Ọlọ́run wá fún wọn Ọlọ́run wá àdúrà wa náà ní pé kọ́lọ́run jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ yẹn dé because kò sí abiyamọ tó gbàdúrà kò jẹ́ sí èèyàn tó gbàdúrà pé kóhun lóyún kóhun ní miscarriage.
Not to talk of that. Ẹ ṣé mà ẹ kí ẹlòmíì ẹ ṣé gan mà thank you so much. Thank you, ma. Mr. Perfection. Hello, sir. Ekale, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, my.
Yes, sir.
Everybody saw 100% over valid. And mi ò bẹ́ẹ̀ gbọ́n ìwé ìtìkúrò ń bẹ̀ wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ kan lẹ́ẹ̀kan.
Mr. Àti wọ́n ti bọ́lẹ̀ fúnra wọn ó dà pé nǹkan tọ́kọ̀ gùn kì wá ṣe nìyẹn wọ́n kàn wá béèrè question.
No, wọ́n ti ẹ̀kọ́ ẹlòmíì tó sọ̀rọ̀ for long period. Okay. So mo rò ṣe kí Nàìjíríà kí tó kù Nàìjíríà mo ti mọ̀ pé number 1 ṣe rí àwọn leader wa tó lórí ẹ̀sìn àwọn ló bà Nàìjíríà jẹ́. We don't take it or we leave it or ló bàjẹ́. Tẹ́ bá jẹ́ mẹ̀kúnnù tẹ́ lówó lọ́wọ́ tẹ́ bá wọlé ìjọsìn ẹ lè má rí pastor church yẹn odidi oṣù kan ẹ fẹ́ kúnlẹ̀ dé kó lórí.
àìmọye.
now tí àwọn politician bá dé wọ́n á clear road fún wọn wọ́n á block ọ̀nà ibi tó bá jókòó sí níwájú àbí ní mosque ọmọ ìjọ tó yẹ pọ̀ lọ́jọ́ kúnlẹ̀ church yẹn kò lè gbàbẹ̀ kọjá.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o.
kò sẹ́ni bọ̀ tó lè gbàbẹ̀ kọjá. now nígbà táwọn leader wa tó jẹ́ wọn lórí ẹ̀sìn ìgbà tí Jésù Kristi tó wà láyé ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe nígbà tó wá tó fún mẹ́sìn wa tó ń gbogbo ẹ̀ àti Muhammed ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ṣe tó ètò ẹ̀sìn ṣé wọ́n gbé orí kan jù kan lọ. now tí gbogbo kí nìyẹn tó bá lè stop ní ilé ìjọsìn all these politicians tó ń fi olúkálukú sí ààyè ẹ̀ tó jókòó sáàárín ọmọ ìjọ tó create a special seat fún yín mọ́ àwọn kìíní máa reduce incident kan ṣẹlẹ̀ ń lu ma from Akoko from Ondo State mi ò sí kúrò Nàìjíríà bóyá kìtì lórúkọ máa ń yọ mo ti gbàgbé orúkọ politician yẹn period ìgbà náà fi ṣe election Aketi àti Aṣẹ́gun Abraham.
Okay.
mo rò bí Ṣẹ́gun Abraham from Ìkàrẹ́ èèyàn tó betray from Ìkàrẹ́ tó ìbò tó yẹ pọ̀ wọn Àkókò ń gbà yẹn Ìkàrẹ́ precisely tó yẹ kó vote fún Ṣẹ́gun Abraham tó yẹ kó ẹ̀pẹ̀ láti wọlé ó back up Aketi. now wọ́n rí pósí ẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ láàyè pé political career kò gbúdọ̀
jẹ́ jáde mọ́ láyé.
ibẹ̀ ni political career ẹ̀ tó yẹ ní sẹ́wọ̀n tó bá wá láti Ondo State tó wà lórí platform wọn á lè jẹ́rìí kan àti àwọn tó wá láti ibẹ̀ yẹn political career ó hẹ́ndì síbẹ̀. now àwọn tó jẹ́ leader wa tó wà lókè náà senator rep house assembly wọ́n wà lókè wọ́n sọ̀sọkúsọ nínú house wọ́n dẹ̀ ń wálé à ń welcome wọn à ń celebrate wọn because of 3,000 because of 5,000. àwọn tó yẹ kó ń kó sọ lókùpa tó yẹ kó ń lókùpa àwọn yẹn gan ju bandit lọ ìtútọ̀ àwọn yẹn gan ń pa new house iṣẹ́ tó àwọn yẹn gan ṣe new house kan ṣe new rep ó ju kan tí bandit ń ṣe lọ. because wọn ò represent wa dáadáa.
at all.
rubbish ni gbogbo bills kan tó ń pass gbogbo bill tó ń pass rubbish ni 1 billion tó wọn yẹn náà demand wọn mọ̀ pé owó tí Nàìjíríà kan ń borrow. is nothing láti fún wọn nínú ẹ̀.
ṣé èèyàn kò jí $1 billion ní Nàìjíríà.
èló ni àwẹ̀ ara Kogi èló ló kó wọ́n padà gbé wọlé fún Senate. so now
òun náà tún fẹ́ lò.
all these things either one level one may one vote to support either one pay ransom either one pay ransom. I know all this is a game, is a politics. Wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ politics yìí níbi láti máa pín owó pín oúnjẹ máa deceive ará ìlú. Kẹ́rẹ́kẹ́rẹ́ wọ́n mú wọ ọ̀rọ̀ kí wọ́n kidnap wọ́n invade the city kan wọ́n ń wọ̀ ìlú kan. Èyí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ọ̀wọ̀ ibo la Aketi wà nígbà tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́. Aketi was in Abuja. Aketi ń wà nígbà tó wà láyé ẹ̀ ó ń boast lórí security Ondo State. Kó sì kọ̀ọ̀kan tó lè ṣe
ọ̀dọ̀ òun.
ìlú ẹ̀ náà wọ̀ lọ kì í ṣe oko ìgboro ìlú ẹ̀ náà wọ̀ lọ wọ́n ti lọ pa ìwọ̀n Catholic.
kábíyèsí.
wọn jà ní gbogbo ààyè ìgbèrígbé wọn kidnap náà village
ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀ gángan.
so all these things politics no fear me one play ó wá kù sí ọwọ́ wa ó kù sí ọwọ́ ará ìlú láti decide election ń bọ̀ now. Either celebrity, no celebrity, me blame celebrity, mo de to blame wọn. Ṣẹ̀gẹ́bà, àwọn ará ìlú fúnra wa, ọwọ́ wa ló wà. A ṣe pọ̀jù celebrity lọ. A pọ̀jù celebrity lọ fa.
Mélòó ni wọ́n?
Mélòó ni celebrity?
Mélòó lè ra wọn?
Mélòó ni wọ́n tó kọ̀ọ̀kan? Ìbò mélòó lọ fúnra wọn ní? Mélòó ni wọ́n ló ń vote? Ẹlòmíì gan jẹ́ election kò jáde nínú kò vote. So ọwọ́ àwọn aráàlú ọ̀wà ló wà àwọn tá a yàn tó jẹ́ adarí tá a mọlé tá a mọ̀nà wọn. There is a way we can deal with them starting from our community, starting from our local government, starting from our religion. because the more incident or your politics not playing there. Tẹ́bá wo last election, ibi tí Tinubu tó ti dìbò ní Nàìjíríà ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá is Ọ̀yọ́ state. Tinubu lose Lagos state.
Ó lose gallantly.
Ibi tó ti dìbò oníṣèyí Makinde, which is Ọ̀yọ́ state. Now election is coming. In one way or another, they will remove him. Only declare a state of emergency. Anytime sọ̀rọ̀ pé kọ́lọ̀ level àbí wọ́n lè declare a state of emergency bẹ́ẹ̀. And the strategies of their election. Don't want to declare state of emergency kọ́lọ̀ level ọmọ yẹn àbí mọ́nu bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣẹ́gẹ́ ma don't want level wọ́n declare one bẹ́ẹ̀. Now the government will take over. Till January next year for the election.
Come on, election one.
Come on, election one. To back to time election one die down. Okay, now once election one wọlé, they will still come back, and the same thing will still continue. That's why I said I'm not in support either one level, either they pay the ransom. Both decide. I'm not in support of anything, but the way forward.
Yeah, but if you are not in support of any of those options, what happens to the children there? What happens to the teachers?
Well, see, to me, I believe that a lot have happened.
But if you don't do, if there is no action, there is nothing you can do. Israel they say pé Ọlọ́run ni wọ́n ju missile ni.
Wọ́n ju missile wọ́n pààyàn lọ anyhow ni. Gẹ́gẹ́ bá wọ́n level ni ẹ̀mí tó ti lọ́ńbẹ̀ yẹn mi ò sure pé Nàìjíríà ò tí mi ò mọ bó ṣe lè fi ratio yẹn sí. Gẹ́gẹ́ bá now all people they will not go. The ransom at the end of the day owó yẹn náà máa lọ san.
Ẹ ṣé gan sir. Thank you sir. But something has to be done. You know, I sincerely want to believe with all those people that have, subscribed to the government taking action. You understand? Teba woloto, whether we like it or not, as we speak now, this is the 23rd day, 23 days in captivity. She oúnjẹ jíjẹ ni? Ṣé bí life táwọn ọmọ yẹn máa gbé nínú igbó yẹn ni àwọn ọmọ tó kéèyàn máa sùn nínú igbó ọmọ kékeré 2-year-old nínú igbó ṣé mosquito ni ṣé wild animals ni 18-month-old ṣé wild animals ni àbí àwọn ọmọ tó tiẹ̀ ti bàlágà nínú wọn tí wọ́n máa abuse so tó bá nígbà wo ni má kú ò ní kú. Even without àwọn bandits ẹ̀kọ́ pa wọ́n gan state of ibi táwọn ọmọ yẹn ń gbé gan ikú lè pa wọ́n because of nǹkan tó wà exposed to. She understand? So it's either the government takes that action whatsoever ká kàn gbà wípé wọ́n ní ṣebí gbà míì nígbà tá wà láyé àtijọ́ náà wọ́n ní wọ́n máa rúbọ o àwọn tó bá gbẹ́bọ yẹn wọ́n ní gbogbo aráàlú àwọn kan máa kú àwọn so there will be somebody that must go for it. It's unfortunate. Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kán lò wá. May we not be sacrificial lamb.
Share video àwọn bandits tí wọ́n lọ pa àwọn ọmọ school. This one is a new video. Tọ́jẹ́ ìtọ́lọ kó wọn láàrin ìlú. Wọ́n jẹ́ ẹnìkan máa bọ́. I have it on my phone yẹn. Wọ́n ní kán máa bọ́ṣọ.
Jésù.
Wọ́n jẹ́ naked wọn. Àtọkùnrin àtobìnrin.
Jésù.
Wọ́n jẹ́ ẹnìkan máa bọ́ṣọ.
Ó lè má jẹ́ Nàìjíríà because oríṣiríṣi làwọn èèyàn ń gbé kiri o.
Nàìjíríà ni.
No, because tí wọ́n tẹ̀ ń sọ yìí tí wọ́n ti lọ bá àwọn ọmọ ẹni school torí kí gbogbo naked ara wọn àtọkùnrin àtobìnrin nínú hostel.
Àtobìnrin. Naija ni o.
Ó lè má jẹ́ Naija àti Àjọkẹ́.
You still dey go school. You dey go school.
I watched it 2 days ago.
Wọ́n ní náà Naija o àwọn èèyàn ti ń dá yín lóhùn wọ́n ní náà Naija. Ẹ mọ nǹkan mo fẹ́ kẹ́ máa disabuse yín mind yín somebody sent me something mi ò play because most of those things that we see that is circulating everywhere now a lot of propaganda ni wọ́n ń gbé kiri ṣé you understand and I won't be party to those that will circulate such so tó bá ti jù sí ní báyìí máa kàn wò máa gbójú ni ṣé you understand a lot of àwọn èèyàn ń ju oríṣiríṣi tí ò make sense irú màmá kan báyìí èèyàn kan jù sí mọ̀ pé ní ẹlẹ́ máa wò mí báyìí màmá pásítọ̀ àbí màmá sẹ̀lẹ̀ kan tó ní èèyàn kan géètì àwọn kìnnìkan must you come out and I don't believe in that kápá àwọn bandits ni èyí kọ́ lè máa sọ̀rọ̀ wọn á ti gbé eyín màmá she get so I don't believe in that one that is circulating everywhere let us stop putting fears in people. A lot of people are circulating fake kidney, so just be careful of that. Who is next? Road. Abi chasers. Abi road.
I'm smoking, man.
Road ready. Share one bag. The bandits need to knock at our church. I don't want to believe that word. Let's listen to Igbo. What do you think about Igbo's own? A lot of people ti bú Igbo pé ọkàn lẹ́nu ni and everything. But when you look at what he has said, let's listen. If somebody says, I want to go, I am volunteering to go into the bush. Ṣebí sọ pé àyà yín já. How many days nísìn? Èèyàn ní ẹ jẹ́ kí n lọ pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn mi. And you are saying no. I don't understand. Abela.
Okay, more arrange the security network. Federal government that like. We must announce in here. Federal government that like. State government is of any security can come on. People say on down. Oja, say woman be 1G, they won. So they are more. I want all the G. They are all about that.
So nígbà tí èèyàn sọ pé okay, I am ready to go into the bush. Ṣebí sọ pé ẹgbẹ́ tó máa rescue àwọn ọmọ yẹn ni. And how many days ni ó ti gbà mọ̀ bá gbogbo kìíní wọ́n ti ṣe lẹ́yìn kó pọ̀pọ̀ tó wá jáde sọ̀rọ̀ o. Ṣé you understand? I know a lot of people have said that Igboho talks too much, but believe me, there are certain things that are politically motivated that we commoners, we don't know what is really going on behind. Okay, tó bá ní òun ní agbára láti lọ, ẹ jẹ́ yìí fún láyè. Ọmọ máa kú ọmọ máa yè ni. Except why people yóò ń béèrè owó, I don't know. Ṣé àwọn politician ni Igboho náà? I understand. Moreover, only federal government. So this is now between federal and state. Ẹ wá ń fi ẹ̀mí àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ẹ fi ń ta kites. No, tackle government. Good ready.
Then I'm going to see me the way to be.
That's it.
But I want you to learn to secure more. Why tell you about parallel go to what I get? Keep going free. Came on Bolatiba, say, what can I mobile? Came on Latiba, no security, came on the security.
Ṣé ẹ̀ ń gbọ́ ó ní gbogbo game ẹ wá ń fi lives àwọn ọmọ wa ẹ fi ń gba game Nigerian government. Ìgbòho ní gbogbo game tó ń play yìí so life èèyàn ẹ̀yin fi ń gba game. Ṣíṣe àgbọ̀ tí gbogbo èèyàn sọ pé there must be something behind this. Ẹ fi life àwọn ọmọ.
I want the real life to operate. You that I am not the one that I also. When you go to dinner, Ewu dúró tí wọ́n ti sọ pé Nàìjíríà ọ̀dà. Tàbí sóti dà gbèsè náà ni. Àmọ̀ fọdún yìí lónìí. Ṣé ìjọba Buhari dà? Buhari bá dọ́là ní $160. Ó fi dọ́là lẹ̀ ní $9 ó bá epo ní $64. Ó fi kúnlẹ̀ ní 70 àbí bí wọ́n bọ́ fi ilẹ̀ ní $8 àbí 7 kìíní kan ló fi kúnlẹ̀ lọ. Sódà ó sì dọdún mẹ́jọ. Láàrin bí àtẹ̀yìn nígbà tí Buhari sọdún mẹ́jọ ẹ̀ ta ló ṣe protest north. Nígbà tó ṣe ẹ́sàs Èkó ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ń bí àti ilẹ̀ Ìgbò ló mọ̀. Buhari lọ 8 years. Òwúlò. So now, I'm expecting me pẹ̀lú géèmù òṣèlú tẹ̀ fún àwọn ọlọ́mọ gbá yẹn kí mi support yẹ kí máa dákun Tinubu ọmọ sọ̀rọ̀ ní ìjọba ìfẹ́ ní pọ́s kájú kó máa bọ́ sọ́ọ́ sí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ díẹ̀díẹ̀.
Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń sọ yìí sí?
Ẹ jọ mà ọmọ Charlie pọ́s ṣe láàrin yẹn.
Yes sir.
Ọ̀rọ̀
politics.
Tribalism.
Politics. God bless you sir. Wo ọtí yóò ní bàjẹ́.
Buhari lo 8 years èló ló bá náírà. Buhari lo 8 years èló ló bẹ́pọ̀ èló ní epo Nàìjíríà as we are speaking.
Politics.
Èló ló jẹ ní Nàìjíríà as we are speaking ṣó wálẹ̀ nàbó lọ òkè. Politics. Bàbá wa tó yẹ pé Yorùbá kan náà jọ ní wá àmì Yorùbá èló ni bàbá bá ṣé life tó wọn Nàìjíríà ń live ṣó wà okay for everybody now about of kidnapping. Politics wà lọ́rọ̀ Ìgbòho. Now the point is that kẹ́tọ́ sínú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mà the point is that tèmi rí òmò sọ̀rọ̀ kan lọ́lẹ́kan. I think the better Baba should resign. Come hand over the fún Ogun chicken now fún ministry tó bá dé work kí Nigeria divide. Fine, ọ̀rọ̀ politics tó ń sọ politics ti wọ̀ gbogbo game tó ń play politics level.
Wọ́n fi ayé wa play politics ní.
Wọ́n ti fa ayé wa ń ta tẹ́tẹ́ politics Nigeria politics ó ti dia business. Ṣẹ́gẹ́ báyìí business lórúkọ bí ibo débẹ̀ lẹ́ni same thing Báwùsá débẹ̀ lọ́la same thing bí yóò bá continue politics and the best thing divide Nigeria or they should hand over the government back to the ministry. Wọ́n máa létò àbí kò ní létò. Who is Igboho? Number one, who is Igboho? Ṣojú military wa lọ ni. Ṣojú okay, I know network in Nigeria now. Abi, but tí n bá post nǹkan lé ní tí wọ́n Nigeria, ó easy for now government láti pick me up.
100%. Kíákíá ló máa ti wá gbé yín.
Now, our people wọ́n ní informant Ìgboro. Na wọn network provider wa, wọn ò lè track àwọn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún wọn tó wà ní Ìgboro tó ń gbé láàárín àwa èèyàn.